false information in the country. An overwhelming majority also agree fake news is a problem that should be addressed in the Philippines.
Have you ever shared a post without checking if it was true? Fake news spread faster than facts, and it can cause fear, confusion, and even harm. Fake news has led to serious issues. People have been scammed, communities divided, and even public safety threatened. Fake news. False information shared without intent to mislead. False stories and that appear to be news. The purpose of fake news may vary from gaining money through clicks, spreading propaganda, or simply causing confusion and division in society. Because it's like genuine news, people can easily believe and share it, making it a serious threat to truth and responsible communication. People are more likely to share sensational stories without checking the facts. There are two types of fake news: misinformation and disinformation. Misinformation, false or inaccurate information that is spread without the intent to deceive. Disinformation, false information that is spread deliberately to mislead or manipulate people. Fake news is a growing problem into this digital world, where a false or misleading information is spread online to confuse, manipulate, or influence people. It often looks like real news and can quickly go viral on social media, creating panic, division, or mistrust. To protect ourselves and others, we must practice awareness by checking the source, verifying facts, and taking before we share. By being responsible digital citizens, we can stop the spread of fake news and promote truth, unity, and trust in our communities.